Welcome back to another episode of Ranch Rehab.
Welcome back.
And today we've got the construction edition.
Yes.
Roofing.
Fascia, trim.
Gables, rakes, ridges, all kinds of stuff. Actually, what we're gonna do is a really cool project.
Yes.
If you guys check right up here behind us, you'll notice that we got a couple pieces of wood that have holes in them.
Right.
They're holy. We got holy wood up here.
We do.
And we need to change that out and put some new wood up there.
That's correct.
With that being said, let's get to it.
Let's do it.
Get this ladder set up.
And I'm gonna get these buckets. Why? Because I'm gonna protect my plants. As you can see, I have a nice strawberry. I don't want us to step on it. I also have some cauliflower over here. And I don't want us to accidentally move that ladder into our way. And this is a surprise sunflower. I think a bird left this one or moved the seed.
I feel relatively safe on this ladder. Sorta. Wait a minute. Let's get this thing locked in place, people.
I'm gonna get this one right here.
Yeah, there we go.
Are you ready for that?
Is there any wasp coming out?
Yeah, one big one.
One big one?
I'll get it.
There you go, that's good. I need to take out
You need to go up further.
I need to take out these metal screws
Okay.
on the trim. There we go. Piece of cake. All right, to get these other screws out, had to climb up on the roof, folks. And we don't want to lose any of these. I'm just gonna put them in my pocket.
How is the weather up there? How's the weather?
Kind of warm. Kind of hot up here.
Nice.
Did I mention I don't like heights, Jennifer?
You did, yes. I think you're doing a great job.
Oh, sure. Thank you for the vote of confidence.
Yes, I mean, it just looks like it's gonna storm is all, like a huge thunderbolt is gonna come crashing down.
Yeah, we're doing good.
Nice. You're almost there.
Right, so the thing is, just take your time on these projects, folks. Kick back, relax, enjoy the atmosphere, take a nap, do whatever you gotta do. I dropped it. I dropped it. Why don't you get to toss that to me?
I'm gonna throw it straight up.
Yeah.
Okay,
Go
here
ahead.
it comes.
Throw it. Got it. Success. I'm gonna try to pry that board off. I wanted to do it while I was on top of the roof, but I just couldn't get enough leverage, and there's that trim up there, and it's gonna buckle and bend and look terrible. I can't run the risk of destroying it. So we'll see what happens. All right. Okay. Oh, I think I might have it here. Here it comes. All right, folks, so I got the wrong size wood. I got 2x6s, we needed 2x8s. So now we got those. Jennifer scribed her mark right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a cut right there, and then she can get the painting that one piece while I try to remove that other piece from the roof.
don't have to pick it up. You just go smooth back and forth. Good. Very nice. Wonderful. And you can see how if you pick it up, it leaves a line. So the less you pick it up, the more smooth and long your strokes will be. And you will have a more even amount of paint going on your board. Good job.
Coming up on our next episode of Ranch Rehab.
Look at the birds. They think there's going to be a problem up here, but there's not.